All right, and there's two types of errors that can happen when we do a hypothesis test. So first of all, remember, we've got our null hypothesis and our alternative hypotheses. All right, so every hypothesis test, this is what you're going to have. A null, and again, remember, this is what somebody is claiming. Some company, somebody is claiming something. But you, as a researcher, might think that's different. It's greater than what they're claiming, less than what they're claiming, or maybe you just don't care. It's just not equal to what they're claiming. All right. So, so those are our hypotheses. A type 1 error. What we usually do is we test these hypotheses at a certain level, and we always use alpha. This is called alpha. Usually, we use we test at the 5% significance level. 5% is a decimal, is 0.05. We're going to talk more about what this means, all right? But it means 5% of the time, 1 out of 20 times, when we gather a data set, the results, this is where probability comes in, but the results aren't going to be true. All right, and that can happen. Alpha that's the 5% level. This is what we're really concerned with. We do not want to falsely reject this. All right, so think of like the court of law. The null hypothesis, you're either guilty or not guilty. All right, so what we don't want to do is if somebody is innocent, let's consider innocent, because in the States we always presume you're innocent until you're proven guilty, or in statistics we don't prove anything, but the evidence is in favor of something. But you assume they're innocent until there's a lot of evidence that says, no, this is not true, this one is true. They're actually guilty, all right? But we don't want to send an innocent person to jail. You just don't want to do that. We don't want to falsely reject this, all right? So the burden of proof is on the alternative hypothesis. There's got to be a significant amount of evidence in order for us to reject this. This is our significance level. Usually, most research papers are done at the 5% level, right, which means there's only a 5% chance that your conclusion is incorrect. We'll talk more about this later, but that's the idea of a type 1 and type 2 error. This is called beta. We're not going to be dealing with this in this course as much. It's alpha that we're going to be dealing with. From now to the end of the semester, that's called our significance level that we're testing at.